can also email me at kyle@theaudithub.co.uk. And I'm normally reasonably quick to respond. I am very busy at the moment, so I do apologize if I get lots of emails and don't initially come back to people. I would say the first protocol is have a look on the website. You see a lot of content there in terms of careers guidance, as well as audit articles. What I am doing, trying to also define roles and jobs to potentially apply to. I need to actually update our feature job option so that we can see those. I mean, one of the things I've been trying to help people, and this can apply right across everyone who's on this call, not even if you're not from an audit background, but you come from a data science, data analytics background, is if you want to use something like LinkedIn to try and help you find roles, I've got an article that's on the website, that outlines, some of the challenges. LinkedIn is an amazing tool for finding roles. The problem is there's so many out there that you just really don't know where to start. My key tips are there's a couple of filters on LinkedIn that you can use. You can look at when the job was posted. Basically, if a job has been posted on LinkedIn for more than 1 week, I would say forget about it. That role has gone. That ship has sailed. Because once those applications go in the first couple of hours, you're looking at a hiring manager who's swamped with CVs, resumes. They're not going to have a chance to look at it. There's a filter that says under 24 hours. Keep that filter on. Set up notifications for that. Also, you can also look. There's a filter saying under 10 applicants at a time. So you can also be one of the first people to apply for that. Keep an eye out for roles that are reposted, because a lot of companies, when they sign up to LinkedIn, they get so many credits for posting so many jobs. And even though a job is already being interviewed for, what you'll find is that because they got so many credits, they'll just let a job repost again and repost again and repost again, just to keep candidate pool and CVs coming in. But the interview process is already well underway there. Stay probably clear from easy apply jobs. It might be easy for you to apply, but just think how many people have also clicked on that button. I mean, LinkedIn probably thought it was a great idea to just have a one-click option that you send off a CV and that's it, done. But I will tell you, again, a recruitment manager, a hiring manager is going to be sitting there swamped with tons of CVs to go through, and generally they don't. I think one of the things that we're seeing from an audit perspective is a lot of roles are coming out to market, to the external market, to show to an internal policy of having gone to the external market to benchmark against their internal candidates. But you'll find a lot, and especially in certain organizations that are going through restructuring and things like that, the candidate's internal most likely, and you need to figure out a different way to move forward with that job search. So I always say, find out who the hiring manager is. Try contacting them direct. Leverage your network. And again, that's what the Audit Hub's meant to be there to do. We're trying to help build that network, build that presence, so people can find and have those one-to-one chats where previously it was never possible.
Well, those sound like some great tips.